Usually we design something in CAD and print it to bring it to life. But today, I have to do the exact opposite. Designing the V2 toolhead requires an exact digital copy of the strain gauge. That means taking a picture and inserting it into Fusion 360. We just go up here in Insert and then click Canvas. Then Insert from my computer and open the image. Fusion 360 doesn't know the size of the picture, so we need to fix that. I measure my strain gauge, it's a 34mm square. I right click the picture under Canvas, choose Calibrate, pick 2 points, type 34mm, and Fusion scales the picture to the right size. Now the picture is correct. I make a new sketch on the same plane and press R for rectangle tool. I draw a 34mm square and line it up with the picture. After that, I use the Fix tool to lock it in place. The outer ring is 3mm, so I press O for offset and offset the square by 3mm. This part here is 7.5mm, so I offset this line by 7.5mm too. I press T for trim tool and cut the extra lines. After that, I use the fillet tool to round the corners so they match the picture. This middle part is 8mm. I make a rectangle with one side at 8mm and use the midpoint constraint to place it in the center of this line. I slide this side until it matches the picture, and I use the dimension tool to give it the same size Fusion shows. To make this shape, I add a construction line in the middle and draw a line up here. Then I switch to the spline tool and draw the curve, and I fine tune the curve with the handles. When it looks right, I mirror it across the construction line. We are using M3 hardware, so I make these holes 3.2mm. I clean the sketch with the trim tool, add the last fillets, and when the shape is done, I extrude it by 2.5mm. Now the model is ready. I'll print it to see if it works or if I need to change the design. This time it worked on the first try. In the next video, I'll show how I use this model to make the toolhead.